Hi, good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, May 27th, 2020, 5-27-20. Hi, it is Wednesday. We only have just a few more days left of school. How exciting is that? Whoop, 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 whoop. Hope you're doing a victory dance. Summer's almost here. We're almost done. Still finishing up some last minute things. Let's see, I don't really have any notes to give you guys other than I hope I get to see a lot of you guys today. Remember, no more one-on-ones, but that's okay. It's a lot of fun too when we get together as a whole class. So that is happening today from 10 to 10:30. There's a lot on that one. Okay. From 10 to 10:30 today, we're meeting as a whole class again like we did yesterday. So much fun. Today's dress-up theme is school spirit. You can't tell on mine, but mine, it says it's a new shirt that the teachers got. But mine is a school t-shirt. It says we're all in this together, Chisholm Ridge Wranglers. So wear your school shirts, school colors, in your hair. I don't care. Have fun with it. And then today's game is we're doing art, but we're doing it blindfolded. So when you come to our meeting today, come prepared. You will need a pencil and you will need paper. If it's lined paper, that's okay. If you have plain paper, that's even better. But either just a piece of paper, a pencil, and something to cover your eyes. Sunglasses do not count, because then I can't tell if you still have your eyes open with your sunglasses on. Same as Nelson wasn't born yesterday. So you have to bring like a bandana or maybe a shirt or something like that you can tie around. Or if you have one of your face masks, your sleeping face mask, that I know some of you guys have, bring that. It's just something that I know your eyes are closed and cannot see anything. It's going to be fun today. And actually, I will be up in our classroom when we meet. So that will be fun. Other than that, parents, I found out late last night that we have a faculty meeting on Friday at the exact same time that we are supposed to meet and do our award ceremony together on here. So I'm going to send out another survey to see if you guys would rather meet beforehand or if you don't mind meeting afterwards. I thought maybe we could meet from like 9, because my meeting's at 10. So I thought we could either meet 9:30 to 10. Just seems, if we kind of run over, I don't want to rush our ceremony, the awards. So I was thinking maybe at 9 o'clock or either at 1 o'clock. So I'm going to send out a survey. Again, the one with the most votes will win. And I'm so sorry. I thought last week was our last one because that's what I was told. But late last night, we got an email saying, hey, another meeting. So I apologize for that. Other than that, please, parents, if you guys borrowed an electronic, it's time to turn those back in. They'll be up there again tonight from 4 to 7. I was there yesterday working, and we need a lot more people returning those items. Make sure you bring your chargers. Make sure you can turn it on when you get there. Mr. Kinney is making you show them that it still works, that you need to be able to log on. So make sure it does have a little bit of battery life. So please make sure you guys are bringing those. And the 5th grade clap out. So don't forget about that one too. That's happening on Thursday. If you guys have a 5th grader or know somebody in 5th grade and you want to cheer them on, that's on Thursday. But again, I have all these flyers in our class tag. So, all right, well, I don't want to use up too much of your time. Just chitter chattering, but I like to chit chat. So, all right. Well, I love you guys. I miss you so much. And I will see all of you guys later on for our fun drawing today. It's going to be so much fun. I'm excited. All right. But if you do have any questions or need anything of me, just shoot me an email and I will get back with you guys.